Hello, beautiful brothers and sisters. This is a video promoting one of our books, which is The Adventures of Life. This beautiful day outside. And to put the book down and have a look and just share a little bit from the book. So, life is an eagle or hawk, and he basically has a bird's eye perspective of the world and people's habits and the things that people do, and he sees a human called Giddy who has a certain awareness and has a relationship with God. And Life, the bird, is eager to know why this person, Giddy, has got, a relationship, and why do other people, why are they separate from God? So this story, it's a life story, is dedicated to Almighty God, for His wonderful creation, bringing life on earth. The story centres on the present happening, battles of the end time, sexual immorality, perversion, lust, pursuit of money, power and fame has become the primary focus of every soul. This book focuses on bringing clarity and solutions to these current issues. So if you open your heart to accept the truth, you'll find the answers you've all been longing for. So it's a really good book, dedicated for kids, young adults, and adults. Okay, so the soaring spirit of the eagle and the resolute heart of Giddy, for illuminating the path of human emotions, for offering solutions to the shadows of sexual immorality, and for reminding us that life, in all its complexity, can be faced with wisdom and grace. May this story inspire generations to rise above and transform the world with gratitude and admiration. And then we say life. It's a beautiful story, beautiful imagery. Showing about, the hawk. As he soars majestically high into the sky, watch from above the repeated activities of humans. So it's looking high above everything with a bird's eye view, and he's looking at why humans are struggling, why we're working so hard, and why don't many humans have freedom in the world. And this is another key thing: they constantly let their emotions hinder them from making the right choices, toiling here and there for this earth they have been given dominion over. And it's a beautiful book. Here, key point, he felt the deep sense of sadness within because he saw that humans could not really see their true essence of living. As many of us are struggling in the world, many of us are not fulfilling up, the roles that we were created for. And, Life, the bird, the eagle, has got a bird's eye view of that. It's a great book. It will help many, many people. And this is about Giddy. Giddy was inspired to write books and messages of the truth. Marriages were no longer a place of broken emotions, but of healing. People could connect more to God and themselves spiritually. So it's great. It really is. And, God was pleased with the growth and transformation of the earth, and there are blessings, healings and testimonies across the world. So that's what we can all experience. We can all have our own testimonies in life. Showing God's grace and how we can live a life of prosperity. So thank you. Please purchase the book.